Egg cutlet. Ingredients: egg, potato, ginger, green chilies, garlic, onion large, salt, curry leaves, coriander leaves, coconut oil, garam masala, pepper powder, breadcrumbs, coriander powder, red chili powder. Method of preparation: heat some coconut oil in a pan and into this add onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and curry leaves. Stir them well. Add salt and mix well. Next, add powdered pepper and garam masala. Continue to stir. You may now remove the ingredients into a bowl. It is now time for you to cut the steamed eggs into equal halves and remove the yolk. Next, take the cooked potatoes and egg yolk and mix them well with the ingredients already cooked and transfer to the bowl. Also add few coriander leaves and some salt. Knead them well with your fingers. Once the whole ingredients take the form of paste, make small balls out of it, which are actually the fillings, and keep them aside. Once you have made enough fillings, place them inside the egg white. Next, take a saucepan and heat some coconut oil. Now take out the raw yolk from an egg and into it add some turmeric and red chili powder. Add some salt and mix well. You may now take one by one the egg white with the filling and dip them in this mixture. After this, have them rolled up in powdered breadcrumbs and gently place them in the heated oil. Gently turn the pieces till they turn golden brown. Grab your egg cutlets and enjoy your snack time.